Welcome to day 18 of the HTML Mastery Course 2026. Today we will learn how to embed the external content inside our web pages using HTML instead of asking users to leave our website. We can display content from other websites directly inside our page. So we will cover three important topics. Iframes, embedded another web page inside your website, then Google Map, display the interactive map on your web page, and the third is YouTube video, embedded YouTube videos without downloading or uploading them. So these features are commonly used in a business website, portfolios, blogs, educational platform, and company websites. Now let's learn about the iframe. The iframe means inline frame. Element is used to display another web page inside your own web page. So think of it as a small browser window embedded inside your website. So it is commonly used for embedding websites, documentation, payment pages, forms, dashboards, and external applications. So let's get the example. So now the doc type HTML is used for to tell the browser this is HTML5 page, and then start the HTML documents and set the language to English. Then the head section contains page information, support all international characters, then mark the web page responsive on mobile devices, display the browser tab title. The body section contains everything visible on the web page, display the page heading, and then show a short description. And now the iframe create an inline frame, specify which web page will be displayed, and make the iframe responsive. Then set the iframe height, provide an accessible title for screen reader, add a light gray border, and then this is the end the iframe. So let's run in a browser. So the heading is appear, then this is a short description is displayed, and this is the Wikipedia opens directly inside the web page. So user can scroll and interact with it without leaving the website. Now let's learn about Google Map. Google Map can be embedded directly into your web page using an iframe. This is commonly used on company website, restaurants, school, hospitals, hotels, offices. So visitor can zoom, drag, and get the direction without opening another website. So let's get the example. The first few lines create the HTML documents and make it responsive. Then this is the heading, our office location. So display the page heading, this, and then this is the paragraph, introduce the embedded map, and this is the iframe, create the iframe, and then contain the Google Map embedded URL. So you can get this URL by opening Google Map, select a location, click share, and choose the embedded map and copy the HTML code and make the map responsive. This width is equal to 100%, and then set the map height, then remove the border, and then allow full screen mode. Load the map only when needed, improving performance. The loading is lazy, and then this is the end the iframe. So let's run any browser. The office heading appear, then the Google Map load. User can zoom, drag the map, view satellite mode, get direction, and open the full map. Now let's learn about YouTube videos. Instead of uploading videos to your own server, HTML allows you to embed YouTube videos using an iframe. So this saves the bandwidth, storage, and loading time. So let's get the example. The first section create the HTML page, then display the page heading, then introduce the embedded video, and then create the embedded YouTube player, then set the video width, set the video height, and specify the YouTube embedded URL. So to embed your own video, open your YouTube video, click the share, select embed, copy the iframe code, and replace the src source URL with your own video embedded URL. Provide an accessible title, and remove the default frame border, and enable the support player features like autoplay, where allowed clipboard access, encrypted media playback, supported on compatible devices, and picture in picture mode, and so on. So allow viewer to watch the video at full screen mode, and this is the close the iframe.